Hi, I got my copy of X11 open, and I've created a simple little test model here. I'm going to look at it in an elevation camera. Hello, elevation. There it is. I'm going to hit Shift F6 on the keyboard. We'll zoom in over here. Okay, now I'm going to open this wall here and go to its roof tab. And you can see there's an auto roof return. And the default is 36 inches. And the default is also a gable and a sloping. So let's just click OK and see what that does. And that's what it does. That's 36 inches. And that's a return. I'm going to open the dialog box again, go back to roof. Let's make it hip and let's make it full. Now full should go all the way across like that. Go back, uncheck full. Let's go hip. And there's a little different variation. See, it's got a roof plane here and a roof plane 90 degrees from that coming in this way. Let me change it back to the way it was. There we go. Roof. And let's make it gable. Yeah, see? Slight variation. Now I'm going to open that wall again, go to the roof tab. And I've never used flat. Let's see what flat does. Okay, it just makes it flat. Let's do an isometric camera so you can see what flat looks like. I've never needed one. Okay, it's just a variation, architectural variation. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. Go back to the roof tab. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to make this 48 and hip. Oh, I've still got flat checked. Yeah, so you can vary that and control that through this input box. And sometimes this doesn't work. Sometimes it's the software is pre-programmed to work in most cases, but in some cases it won't work. I've had that happen as well. So what do you do? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and turn the roof return off. I'm going to do a manual return. Okay, I'm going to zoom in over here in plan view and go to the roof tools and draw a roof plane there. Yeah, I want it over the wall. I'm going to pull it out of a house, so it's more like a return. I want to make sure that see, the fascia top here is 106 3/8. They need to match. See, this is 106 5/8. Makes a difference. I'll make it 3/8. And then I can take this and join it with that. Well, it didn't join. That's okay. I'm going to put a 45-degree angle in it. So that doesn't stick through. And there's a return, a manual return. And you can set this to whatever length you want, like 36. And then to do the other side, in case you have to do this manually, you just take the return, use transform replicate to reflect it horizontally. Boink, like that. And we'll take this and use point-to-point move. And voila, there's some manual returns. If you want a full return, just click on this and make, whoops, I didn't mean to open the dialog, drag it over. Now it's a full return. So if the automatic tools work, that's fine. It saves time, but you can do this manually. I wanted to show you that you can and how that's done. Okay? Thanks for watching. Hope this helps people.